Alright guys, so we had two coatings already. It's looking pretty good, but I have to, oh, this one is done actually, because this is where I tested the paint if it's any good. So, looks awesome though, looks good actually. See, I had doubts because the first time I'll be using the brand, but looks good. You just have to be very careful, like for each coating you have to give it, I don't know, I give it like 30 minutes to an hour for each coating. So these two are on their second, and I'll be waiting for maybe an hour and then I'll give it another go. Looking good so far though.